name is Vijay Pandey. I am a psychometric test developer and trainer in psychometric testing. In this video, I am going to talk about what it takes to learn and master psychometric testing, the art and science of psychometric testing. To learn and master any kind of psychometric test, there are three things you need to know, you need to have command over in order to learn and master any kind of psychometric test. Number one, psychological construct. Each test is based on some kind of psychological construct. For example, if a test is measuring interest, occupational interest, then you need to understand first what exactly is an occupational interest, what exactly falls into the definition of occupational interest, and then only you can go ahead measuring that. If a test is measuring intelligence, you need to understand what the test is meant by intelligence. What is the meaning of intelligence for the test developer? What kind of intelligence the test is measuring? What is within the definition of intelligence for that test and what is outside of the definition of intelligence test. So these aspects, what it is called psychological constructs. They are psychological because they are mental in nature, they are not observable, they are always inferred, indirect, and they belong to the domain of psychology, which is science of behavior. So first thing is psychological constructs. Second thing you need to know is measurement principles. Measurement principles are those rules which define or which talk about what is a good measurement and what is a bad measurement. In this, you need to know what is reliability, what is validity, what is sensitivity of a test, what is bias in a test. There are external test bias and internal test bias. You need to know how to identify them, how to detect them, what it is. And then once you know about the measurement principles, the third thing that you need to know in order to master the art and science of psychometric testing is some statistical techniques. For example, how to interpret a percentile score, how to interpret a Sten score, what is the difference between a standard score and a raw score. What are different ways to convert a raw score into a standard score? So these techniques, they fall into the domain of statistical technique for psychometric testing. So in order to master psychometric testing, you need to know about statistical techniques. In upcoming videos, I will talk in detail about different kind of psychological constructs, different kind of measurement principles and statistical techniques. Most importantly, for any one test or for a category of test, you need to know these three things in order to understand that test better, use that test better, and make informed decisions through that test. That will follow in the next video.